Discover how SOTpay transforms Xero invoices into secure digital payment journeys, allowing seamless transactions through pay by card or pay by bank. This walkthrough reveals the automated processes behind the scenes when connecting a Xero account, eliminating manual configuration steps for customers. Send a Xero invoice and request payment in the customer's preferred channel. Let them pay by card or bank, then automatically update and reconcile the payment in Xero. Welcome to SOTsyncPro by Gala Technology. Sign in with Xero to begin the automated setup process. Securely connect your Xero organization by signing in, selecting the correct organization, and approving access. Once access is approved, SOTsyncPro securely connects to the customer's Xero organization, automating the setup in the background. Select the Xero organization to connect, review the requested access, and approve the connection to begin automated setup. SOTsyncPro is now connected to the selected Xero organization, completing the automated payment and accounting configuration in the background. Understand the connection and environment status indicators for SOTpay, ensuring everything is set up correctly. SOTsyncPro is now connected to Xero, confirming the secure link and ready for automated configuration. Once the Xero connection is complete, SOTsyncPro automatically prepares the required payment and reconciliation settings in the background. Payment services are created automatically, requiring no manual action from the customer. The payment experience is branded automatically, ensuring consistency without manual setup from the customer. A dedicated clearing account supports reconciliation, completed automatically in the customer's Xero organization. For support and audit purposes, SOTsyncPro records key actions during integration, providing visibility without customer involvement. Connect additional Xero organizations when needed, supporting multiple entities with the same secure process. Users can securely end their SOTsyncPro session at any time, maintaining the existing Xero connection. Maintain control of the Xero connection, with the ability to revoke it when needed, ensuring synchronization stops without affecting past records. Once the integration is ready, the payment journey is simple and automated, from invoice creation to payment reconciliation. The customer receives the invoice and payment request together, ready to proceed through their preferred channel. Customers can easily review their invoice and choose a secure payment method, either by card or bank transfer, ensuring a seamless transaction experience. After selecting their preferred payment method, customers complete the payment securely within the SOTpay system, with the invoice reference linked throughout the process. Once the transaction is complete, customers receive a confirmation linked to the correct invoice, ensuring clarity and peace of mind. The successful payment is automatically returned to Xero, updating the invoice and removing the need for manual adjustments. SOTsyncPro applies the payment to the correct invoice and records the transaction, supporting an automated reconciliation process. The payment journey concludes with a secure transaction, correct invoice updates, and a retained audit trail, thanks to automated integration. Simplify how your customers pay Xero invoices with SOTpay, offering secure digital payment requests and seamless integration with Xero.